How to send high-quality photos on Viber. Want to share a photo on Viber without losing its quality? Follow these steps to ensure your photos are sent in the highest quality possible. Open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then find and open the Settings option. The next step is to tap on the Media option. At the top, you'll see Photo Quality. Tap on it to change the quality of the photos you send. A window will appear with three options. As you can see, higher quality photos will require more memory space. To ensure your sent photos are of the best quality, select the Excellent option. And that's it! Your photos will now be sent without any quality loss. Let us know how you like the content on our channel. For more helpful tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.